Tip Tuesday is all about getting back to the basics with your skincare routine. Are anything like me, and I think some of us are more alike than we realize. In the summer months, it's so easy to just get out of sync, get out of habit with your skincare routine. You know, later nights or just whatever it is. And so always about this time of year, I am ready to get consistently back in the groove with my morning and evening skincare routine. And that begins every skincare routine begins with the very first most important step. And it doesn't matter if you just want healthy skin. It doesn't matter if you want a minimalist approach or you want all of the age fighting. It doesn't matter if you are acne prone or oily. It doesn't matter if you're like, I just want to use what's most natural. This first step of your skincare routine is the most important one. And you know what it is. You know what it is. And it is cleansing, washing your face. Just get the makeup and dirt off of your face. That is so important. And so it is just a reminder at this time of the year, as like we're finding some new rhythms, slowing down in the house more, that we also just get back in step with our face washing, our face cleansing. And so I wanted to just share with you our highlights from our Mary Kay face washes, because there are 5 different face washes that you can use. And when it comes to washing your face, you're not really, the most important part of washing your face is using something to wash your face with that is right for your skin type. Okay. So a lot of times, you know, maybe we're like thinking like, is there a face wash for anti-aging or turn back time or whatever? The most important question that you want to ask when you are looking for some sort of a face wash is this the one for my skin type? For my normal, my dry, my oily, my combination, my acne prone, or my sensitive skin? Is this face wash the right one for me? So tell me in the comments about your skin. Would you say that your skin is more normal, more dry, more oily, combination, sensitive, or acne prone? Because that's going to determine like what face wash you want to use for your face. So I want to just give you just Mary Kay's real quick menu, because I think sharing is caring. And when it comes to knowing what your options are, you know, maybe you might even already be a client of mine buying Mary Kay cleanser off of me or from elsewhere, and you might not even be using the right one for your skin type. So let's talk about that. The first cleanser I want to tell you about is our Botanical Effects cleansers. All right. These are our Botanical Effects cleansers. They're both labeled Botanical Effects. Both are very similar in ingredient concept, but the packaging is just a little bit different. This packaging, let's see, where's my camera? This packaging right here is made, one of the ingredients in this is dragon fruit, and it smells very, very delicious. It's very delicious. This is a minimalist skincare. This is also for a minimalist. Both of these are for the person that is just like, I just need a good face wash to get my face clean. They're very basic. Okay. And so this Botanical Effects comes in dry and normal formula, and this is for combination to oily. I call the one with the pink strip on it, this is my college girl skincare. This is just, it's cute, it smells a little bit good, and it's just introducing someone to a skincare routine if you're just starting out. So high school, college age, not really, you just are a minimalist, you want a minimalist approach to skincare, you are in the Botanical Effects range. And the price point on Botanical Effects is $18 for cleanser. So it's a really great cleanser choice for a beginner, or for somebody that's just like, I want clean skin, but I don't care about any other ingredients. And so the Botanical Effects comes in normal, dry, and for the combination to oily formula. The next cleanser is our newest cleanser in Mary Kay, and this is Naturally. This is naturally purifying cleanser. And if you love the idea of a face wash that is paraben free, fragrance free, dye free, made mostly from all natural plant-based ingredients, then this naturally purifying cleanser is for you. Now, I always notice the scents of things. It doesn't have a scent to it, but one of the ingredients, I don't know actually if this is an ingredient, but it feels like it should be the ingredient, is witch hazel. And this cleanser, when you use it, it smells like witch hazel. Now, I will tell you that I'm not a huge fan of the Mary Kay Naturally Cleanser. It doesn't spread very well. One thing that we know about naturally derived products is the things that are put like in a cleanser like this that make it kind of spread and sudsy or whatever, they're not in this. But if you are concerned about the ingredients that you put on your skin and if they affect your hormones or anything like that, then if that is on your mind, then the Mary Kay Naturally Cleanser would be the right one for you. Okay, next is for acne prone. All right, who has acne prone? Oh, the Naturally Cleanser's 28. The next cleanser is our Clear Proof Cleansing Gel. All right, our Clear Proof Cleansing Gel. And this cleanser just does a better job of getting your pores free of dirt and oil. If you are oily, you will love the cleansing gel from Clear Proof. It has a 2% salicylic acid in it. Most of my clients that have oily acne prone skin love this face wash. And it is just it would be too strong for my normal to dry skin. But if you're looking for something, it doesn't strip your skin of natural oils, but it doesn't make you more oily. And so anyway, that is your option. If you have a teenager in your house that has some acne prone skin, this might be a good option too. And notice it has a green and gray, so it's kind of gender neutral. And the cost on that cleanser is $18. All right, next up is my favorite cleanser right now, and you're gonna know why, especially if you use it. It's the Timewise Age Minimize 4-in-1 cleanser. And this is, I go back and forth between this cleanser and the Timewise Repair cleanser, but let me tell you why. Like, I made my list because I did my research. Like, I'd like to do a little bit of research on what I'm talking about sometimes, and I want to make sure I was telling you the right things about this cleanser. So it cleanses without stripping the moisture. Of course, we know that. It exfoliates. So there's a gentle exfoliation inside this product. So it's more of a multitasker. The other cleansers that we've already talked about, they're like just cleansers. This is a multitasker because you're getting a cleanser and a gentle exfoliation every time you use it. That helps to get rid of any impurities on your skin that would make it look dull. But let me tell you about the ingredients. So this is part of our Timewise Age Minimize complex. Like, we have a patent pending ingredient trifecta that is called Timewise, and part of that trifecta is an ingredient called resveratrol. All right, resveratrol is in this, and resveratrol, it has a lot of good benefits to it, but it helps to even out your skin tone. So if there's darkening, sun damage on your skin, any Timewise products are made with this complex. And so resveratrol is part of that. Resveratrol also helps to fight free radicals that get on your skin from the environment. Okay, so if we're just talking about cleaning your skin, all of these cleansers that we're talking about are basic cleansers, but this does more. The Timewise 3D cleanser, it does more. It gets rid of the free radicals that are in the environment that are, there's a little fly in here, that want to cause premature aging on your skin. It also has that skin brightening component, resveratrol, and resveratrol also tells your body's natural proteins to make more proteins. Collagen is a protein in your body, and collagen provides the bounce back to your skin. And as you're aging, collagen is depleted, but you can tell your body to make more collagen, and resveratrol kind of is like a primer for your body, telling it like, hey, you need to keep producing collagen, and we all want collagen, right? It also has peptides. This has peptides in it those peptides are made from 4 different acids, and those 4 acids help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It also has vitamin B3, which is for skin brightening. So all of that in the Timewise 4-in-1 cleanser. And this one does come in normal to dry and combination to oily formula. So my go-to cleanser, I use this twice a day. But there is another cleanser. I don't have one. I thought I had that here on my shelf, but I don't have it. But I'll show you the color. It's part of the Timewise Repair line, and it is in this lavender. Timewise Repair is this lavender color, and it is a tube that looks similar to this, but it is the Timewise Foaming Volume Firm Cleanser. All right. And I go back and forth. So when this tube is over, I'll go to Voluform. When Voluform tube is over, I'll go back to Timewise 3D, because both of those cleansers have such good anti-aging benefits. And so the Voluform cleanser is good for dull, dry skin. If you have oily skin, or even combination, you may not love the Voluform cleanser because it's more for dry skin. It helps maintain moisture balance and renews radiance. Ooh, give us the radiance. I love radiant skin. It has peptides in it as well that help with sagging and wrinkles. It also has peptides that help maintain your skin's natural hyaluronic acid. We know hyaluronic acid helps with skin volume and lifting and plumping. And so the Voluform whole repair Voluform line, but the Voluform cleanser has peptides that help with that volume. And so that's another age fighting. So anything with Timewise and Mary Kay is an age fighting product. So all the rest of our cleansers, like the Clear Proof, is for acne. Naturally is for someone who wants all natural. Botanical Effects is made from botanicals who want something very simple. And then the last part of cleansing that I want to share with you is our tool. We have one tool, a cleansing tool, and you may have this. This is our Skin Vigorate cleansing brush, and it has an oscillating head, and it just it helps your cleanser go deeper in your pores and get a little bit cleaner. It's 60 seconds, so it's like the supersonic 60-second cleanse, so it guarantees that you're cleansing your skin for 60 seconds. It gets rid of dirt, oil, and makeup. For my acne prone people, for my kids that live in this house that are acne prone, this brush is life. It really, one of my kids, when they stop using this, their face breaks out. And so one of my daughters. So between this and the Clear Proof cleanser is the thing that helps keep her skin clear. When she stops with the brush, it's like she has acne again. So that's something to keep in mind. If you just want, just a little bit of a deeper clean, the cleansing brush helps with that too. So that is this is fall. It's time to start washing your face again. Don't go to bed with a dirty face. They say that you age yourself 7 days every time that you sleep in your makeup or your dirt. Ain't nobody got time for that, right? All of my cleansers are $3 off this week for those of you here in the VIP group. And so if you are needing just to get back in the routine of washing your face, you've heard that book or that whatever that's like, girl, wash your face. Well, it is time, friends. Wash your face. If you want to make changes for your skin, the first step is always washing your face. If I can serve you in any way, if I can send you a cleanser for $3 off this week, shoot me a text, send me a direct message, reply right here, and let me know. It is just my greatest pleasure to serve you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.